Hello, dear students. I'm Assistant Professor Rushali Ahir, and in our today's session of Fermentation Technology Part 2nd, we are going to learn about the polio vaccine. Now, we have already started in the last session up regarding the polio vaccine, in which we have already studied what is polio, how does this polio or poliomyelitis is caused. Then we were studying about the different types of polio vaccines. We have already seen that there are two types of polio vaccine. First one is inactivated polio vaccine, which we have already studied in the last session, and the second type, which is oral polio vaccine, or it is also known as sapin vaccine, that we are going to learn in our this session. So let's start with our second type of polio vaccine, which is oral polio vaccine. Now, this oral polio vaccine, it is also known as Sabin vaccine, as this vaccine was developed by the scientist Albert Sabin in the year 1961. So, in his memory, this vaccine is known as Sabin's vaccine. Now, this is just like inactivated polio vaccine. Oral polio vaccine is also a trivalent vaccine. Now, we have already seen that as there are three type of polio virus, and this polio vaccine, it is a blend of all these three polio virus, so it is known as trivalent. And as this vaccine, it is administered by the oral route, so it is known as trivalent oral polio vaccine, or it is also known as TOPV. Its short form is TOPV, which stands for trivalent oral polio vaccine. Okay, so the main aim of giving oral polio vaccine is to generate humoral and systemic immune response against the polio virus, as it generates immunity in the gastrointestinal tract. In the gastrointestinal tract, the polio virus multiplies, and there is a main requirement to generate immune response in the gastrointestinal tract, and that immune response is generated only by oral polio vaccine. But the major precaution or care must be taken while taking this trivalent oral polio vaccine is that, as it contains live attenuated virus, so it should be taken properly, always by only oral route, and it should never be injected, because there is a chances that virus may get revert back, or it may get its virulence factor again, and it may cause the poliomyelitis. So the major caution should be taken with trivalent oral polio vaccine, because it contains live attenuated viruses. Now, attenuated means here the viruses are grown in the foreign host. अभी हमें पता है कि जो भी वायरस होते हैं दैट वायरसेस आर वेरी स्पेसिफिक. अगर कोई वायरस किसी ह्यूमन बींग को डिसीज कॉज करता है देन इट विल ओनली कॉज द डिसीज टू ह्यूमन बींग्स. If any particular virus causes disease to plants, then that virus causes disease only to the plants, or they are host specific. If these viruses are grown in a specialized media or specialized cell line or other than its host, then there are chances that these viruses may lose its virulence factor, means its infection causing ability will loosed due to that foreign host. So such viruses are grown in the foreign host, so they loses their virulence factor and only their antigenicity is maintained. Such type of viral culture, it is known as attenuated viruses. Okay, so this was just about the introduction about oral polio vaccine. It is also known as trivalent oral polio vaccine or the Sabin vaccine, which is a live attenuated virus vaccine, and it is administered by the oral route. Now we'll study about the process of vaccine production. Now, as we have discussed earlier, that the attenuation of this virus, it is carried out by passing it through the foreign host, and here the foreign host is the monkey kidney cell. पोलियो वायरस को अगर हम मंकी किडनी सेल में ग्रो करते हैं, देन दिस पोलियो वायरस इट लूजेस इट्स इन्फेक्शन कॉजिंग एबिलिटी और virulence factor. So first of all, the virus it is grown in the monkey kidney cell, then it is harvested from the monkey kidney cell. The process of centrifugation and filtration is carried out to separate such viruses. Here this host it helps to grow the viruses but to lose its virulence power. During this process, different types of stabilizers such as sucrose or trehalose or arginine hydrochloride are added, which helps to maintain the antigenicity of viruses. पहले तो क्या किया जाता है कि मंकी सेल लाइन में वायरस को इनोकुलेट किया जाता है. आफ्टर इनोकुलेशन डिफरेंट टाइप्स के स्टेबलाइजर सुक्रोज अर्जिनिन वगैरह ऐड किया जाता है. ड्यू टू एडिशन ऑफ दिस stabilizers, viruses grow fastly. It loses its virulence factor, but antigenicity of the viruses remains as it is. So in this way we can gain the